A very good evening to you. I'm Dwayne Burbick with your Business Day. President of the Jamaica Manufacturers Association, JMA, Metri Siaga, has called for special interest rates to be granted to the manufacturing sector to help it grow. Mr. Siaga made the appeal for the help at the JMA's annual general meeting on Wednesday. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Banks are lending more to small manufacturers. Last year, loans to the sector rose 11% to almost $18 billion. But there is still a problem.
Every time I talk to a manufacturer, they are asking me about financing.
The issue is mostly with the cost of loans. And so the JMA president, Metri Siaga, is making his position clear as to what he wants for the sector.
We require internationally competitive rates. And I'm talking about 5% or lower. The BPO sector gets it, the tourism sector gets it. We are as, if not more important than those sectors, we must get it too.
But he also wants more loans for the sector as well. Mr. Siaga suggests banks encourage their loan officers to lend more to the sector by implementing performance measuring initiatives tied to loans to small manufacturers.
That will see loan officers going out into the markets. Our commitment as a business support organization and manufacturers to the financial institutions is to ensure that companies have the requisite documents required to access these loans, and they don't come to you with hat in hand, but they come with a true business plan and a good strategy and good documentation to get the work done so that you can give them the loan.
For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
In the meantime, Mr. Siaga says he's seeing some breakthrough in the push to get the government to purchase more from local manufacturers. The sector has long lobbied for at least 10% of the procurement budget for manufactured items to be set aside to buy local products, and is now expressing some confidence that its plea is being heard.
We are the closest to where we have ever been in effecting change in government purchasing habits towards buying local through regulation. We eagerly await its passing and encourage our members to register with the National Contracts Committee so that when this law is passed, you can take full advantage of it.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.73. The Canadian dollar is selling for $99.07. The pound sterling costs $165.40, while the euro goes for $146.66. Stocks ended mostly lower today, pushing the main JSE market index down more than 1,856 points, while the junior market index lost 31 points. The winners of the day, they included Berkshire Paints, Consolidated Bakeries, Mayberry Investments, Panjam, and the Scotia Group. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Carreras, Jamaica Producers, Knutsford Express, the NCB Financial Group, and T-Tech. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.